To edit your Canva website, all you have to do is to come to your Canva homepage, and you can just look at your recent design if your Canva website was designed recently, and scroll through it to find the website. But if it's been long you design your website and you don't want to scroll endlessly, what I advise you to do is to go over to your designs here and search the name of your website. Our website has come up, and I'm going to tap on it, and it is going to open up our website design. So I'm going to scroll down because I added videos here. I didn't think they were interactive enough, so I want to remove the videos and add images, or maybe I want to just change things in my website. I don't want to keep the same design over and over again. So you see here, it says if you continue editing this design, you need to publish it again to update the website. So we are going to, because we want to take out things from our website, let's click on edit design. And from here, I like this one as it is. I'm going to scroll down here. These are the parts I want to work on. I want to change these videos to images. Let me go over to my projects to find the folder where I have this client work. So let me go over to folders. And because I know the client's website name is this, I'm going to come here, and this is client folder. I'm going to click on that and open it up. If we go over to images, let me drag this one and put it here. Yes. And let's drag. It's good to display different kinds of your design. Yeah, this is perfect. Let's drag this. This is perfect. And what other designs are we going to drag? Let's put this. Yeah, so let me click on each of them. I think, do they have animation? It says animate. It says there's an animation on them. So let me see what that looks like. A breath animation. Okay, which is cool. All of them has a breath animation. This is good to know. And I'm going to, maybe I want to change the home image. I don't like this image anymore. I want to put on that image. Once you open a folder from your project, it's going to show up at the bottom of this side pane. So I'm going to go back to the folder, and let's drag this image in here. So let's take that back out. Let's drag this one in. We are going to double tap, or we're going to click this place where it says crop, so I can give us an overview of what is happening in our design. So I'm just going to drag this one down a bit so I can show us what will be shown. Let's see. This is how it's going to look on a desktop. But this image is not sharp enough. Let's see if we can get, or let's just leave the original image per se. Let's undo that. Let's just leave the original image. The original image is perfect. And here, I want to put more images here. So I'm going to click on this one and duplicate it. And I'm going to place it side by side. Hold on. I'm going to delete this one. This one, I'm going to, let me reduce the size a bit. And I'm going to click on duplicate to duplicate this page. I want to lay it side by side. Let me click on all the songs and take it to the side a bit. And let's see. So now let me change these images in this place. Let's still go back to our images. Let's see the one we have on that page. We already have these images here. Let's go with this. And which other one will we go with? This one is not. No, let's go with it. Let's try this. No, I'm going to drag and replace it on here. I'm going to click on this and go over to crop and take the slider a bit here. Yeah. We'll cut in our images and colors today. Every other thing here in this website, I'm not going to change. Once you're happy with the edits you've done, let me collapse this. Once you're happy with the edits you've done, the next thing you're going to do is this is page 2. Let's go to the pages view. So you say, let's go to the pages view. So this is page 2. This is page 1. Let's return back to the thumbnail view. So now this is our website. It is looking good. So I'm going to publish this website now because I'm done editing what I want to edit with the website. I'm going to hit on publish. And you see, if you want to still do some setting, but I'll reset it. I've set my website how I want it to look. You can see how it looks on desktop and phone. I'm going to click on republish. Our website is now live again. If we go to the website, you will see our home page. And if we scroll down in our home page, this is how this part looks. And if we go to our contact us page, this is how it looks. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.